Bonjour à tous! Welcome back po to Learn French with Lourdes. In today's lesson, we learn about the French vowels, okay? As we say in French, les voyelles. Les voyelles. Vowels are the heart and music of every word in French. They make your speech sound smooth and elegant. So, ito po ay tinatawag nating vowel o patinig sa Tagalog. So, ano po ito? What are these? Okay, we have A, E, I, O, U, Y, AN po is ON is on, ON po is on, IN, UN, AIN, c'est un, et OUIN ay wa. Para siya pong wa. Okay? So, these are the vowels patinig or les voyelles in French. Our first vowel of voyelle patinig is A. A, comme ami. Ami, pat, pat. Example, mon ami est gentil. Mon ami est gentil. Donc, in English or in Tagalog po ay kaibigan ng ami. Ang pat po ay pasta. At meron po tayong halimbawa, mabait ang kaibigan ko. My friend is kind in English. Okay? Ah, come ami. Ami or pat. Can you please repeat after me? Très bien. Next we have E. E, it can be E, 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 E. Okay? E. Pag meron po siyang accent aigu, yung pong pahalis niya is E. Pag pa sa kabila naman yung siya po niya sa kabila is E. Then, pag meron naman po siyang pakopya, it's like a hat, is E. Example, ang ete. Ete is summer. Tagaraw, no? Summer po yan. Ang per, kasi po may accent po yung first na E, camper, yun po yung ama. And we have the last example is le. Le. We pronounce it as E kasi wala po siyang accent. We have different kinds of accent in French, okay? So this is le. Okay? I will repeat. Pag may accent po siya, ete. Yun po yung tagaraw. Ete o summer. Then we have père. Père. And then the last is le. Le. Okay? So, l'été est chou. L'été est chou. Mainit ang tag-init. Summer is hot. Can you please repeat after me? E. 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 Thank you. This time is E. E. Okay, yung I natin in English, it's E in French. Okay? So, E. So, how do we pronounce it? E. E-C. That's the first example. E-C is here. Ito. And then we have na-if. Na-if, pag lalaki. Pag na-eve, babae po yun, no? Je suis ici. Je suis ici is nandito ako. So, ito ako, ici, walang muwang, is naive. Pag N-A-I-V-O siya, sa babae po yun. Pag na-if, lalaki po yun. So, nandito ako, I'm here. Okay? E. E. Pakiulit. Can you please repeat? E. Thank you. Next, we have O. 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 Come. Ang example natin is O. O. Dulu. Lu is water. O. And then we have Om. Om. Om is a man. We don't pronounce the H, okay? Hindi natin pinapronounce yung H po dito. Om. And then we have opital. Opital. Again, we don't pronounce the H. Okay? So, O, kamdulu. Om, yung man. And hôpital is the hospital. So, we have an example. L'eau est froid. L'eau est froid. So, tubig po yun, ha? The water is cold. Malamig ang tubig. Okay? Can you please repeat after me? O, 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 O. Okay. O, O, O. Thank you. Next, we have U. U. Okay, we pronounce it as U. 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 Example, la lune. Lune. Lune is the moon. And then we have sur. Sur. That's it, safe. Example, la lune est belle. Maganda ang buwan. The moon is beautiful. La lune. Femina po kasi ang lune. La lune. U. U comme voyelle. Can you please repeat after me? U. 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 Très bien. Merci. Next, we have the Y or yi. 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 Comme yoga. Comme yeux. Okay? Ang yoga po, alam natin ang yoga, ang les yeux ay mga mata. Pero pag isang mata lang is only un œil. One eye is called un œil. And we have two eyes, of course, it's called les yeux. Les yeux. So, we have an example. J'ai les yeux bleus. J'ai les yeux bleus. I have blue eyes. How I wish. Okay? Aso lang kulay ng mga mata ko. Mostly po sila ay, yung mga friends ay blue, green, brown. Tayo po kasi ay brown. Okay, thank you. Pakiulit po. Y o yi. Y ang. Thank you. Bravo. This time is different, okay? Iba po ito. Yung an is ong. Ong. Para siyang on pero ong. It's like a on. Ong. Ong. Un. Ong. Okay? Ong. Lumalabas po sa ilong. Ong. Example po natin. We have an example. We have song. Song. Song is without. And then enfant. Enfant is a child. So, song. Enfant. We have an example. L'enfant dort bien. L'enfant dort bien. The child sleeps well. Mahimbing matulog ang bata. Okay, can you please repeat after me? Ong. 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 Thank you. Okay, ito po ay yung on, pero ang basa po natin ong. Come for example, nom, nom. Quel est votre nom? Sabi tayo, nom. Ayan po yung name ninyo, yung family name. And then we have bon. Bon, come, c'est bon, it's good. Bon, bon. Example, c'est un bon repas. Linilisan po, dinudugtong po yun. C'est un bon repas. C'est un bon repas. Okay? Masarap ang pagkain. It's a good meal. On. Can you please repeat? On. Thank you. This time, yung E-N, U-N, A-I-N. Okay? E-N. But we pronounce it as un. 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 Like for example, we have an example. Va. Va. Hindi po siya vin, no? It's va. Va is wine. Then we have pa. Pa. Pa is bread. And lundi. Lundi is Monday. So, va, pa, et lundi. Je mange du pain. Je mange du pain. Okay? On pronounce it as un, un. 20, pain, lundi. Can you please repeat after me? 20, pain, lundi. Bravo! This time po, yung O-U-E-N. We pronounce it as w. Okay? So, lumalabas po sa ilong. Nasal. Okay? Example ng O-U-E-N, like for example, is quoi. 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 So, it says corner. Quoi. So, le coin est petit. Le coin est petit. The corner is small. Okay? Maliit ang sulok. Can you please repeat after me? Coin. Coin. Thank you. Merci. So, let's repeat all the voyelles. Voyelles. We have, on a un, e, i, o, u, y, on, yung en, un, and the o-u-e-n, si wa, parang kwa. Okay, that's great. So you've just learned how to pronounce all the French vowels. Practice them every day in front of a mirror, and you will like to perfect that French sound. Next time, we'll combine vowels and consonants to form real French words po. So, merci beaucoup for learning with me today. Keep practicing and remember, every word starts with a sound and every sound starts with a smile. A bientôt! Huwag ikalimutan pong i-like, subscribe, i-comment, at samahan niyo po ako sa susunod nating aralin na La Grapheme. Merci beaucoup! À bientôt tout le monde! Bye!